watch what the smoke does. It shows you what the wing vortices, what the air is actually doing as it leaves the wingtips. It'll start make little smoke signals. So that's what these smoke generators were invented for. But as you can see, they have all been flying in both their civilian and business life. As a result, Mark grew up surrounded by aviation. Starfighter. In 2005, Mark was lucky enough to acquire a P-51 Mustang. He's been flying Warbirds ever since. And in 2007, watch the smoke trail as he pulls time keys. These smoke canisters, they're called vortice generators, were developed by a man by the name of Frank Sanders. They've been flown by just about every fighter company worldwide. 7,300 pounds, as I said, but it'll carry a max load of 16,000 pounds. It will carry more than its own weight. Inglewood, California, Lions Field, which is now LAX, and North American Aviation, in the hands of Besh Kimmelberger, said, we can come up with something. You give us a few days, literally. The P-51 went from the drawing board to